India's, we are discussing the third question. So here it is asked about which of the following are not most likely the challenges. So which of the following are not the challenges actually? Okay, not the challenges. So the agriculture, not challenges for agriculture in India. So first option given is global warming. So we know that global warming actually because of rise of temperature, rise of average temperature of the earth will significantly impact plant and animal life. Okay, in what way? It will affect the rainfall, it will affect the humidity, it will it will affect the temperature and all those. So plant productivity will be affected. Plant productivity will be affected. So in that way, definitely global warming will pose a challenge to agriculture. Next is urbanization. So urbanization also poses a challenge. How? Urbanization is what? Urbanization is moving of people from rural areas to urbanization. Okay, some rural areas to urban areas. So in that way, what happens is the productive workforce will be leaving rural areas. So agriculture, which requires productive workforce, won't be getting it. And also because of the gradual urbanization poses what? Urbanization gives result in rapid pollution and conversion of rural areas into urban areas also. And that is agricultural farms will be converted into real estate or industries, okay, or something other developmental projects. So agriculture land will also be decreased. So agriculture land will be decreased, pollution will affect agriculture productivity, and also the workforce will be affected. So in that way, well, in these aspects, urbanization poses a challenge. Next is food inflation. So food inflation is what? So rise in the agricultural actually produce, cost of agricultural produce. That is like a rise in the cost of food grains, okay, or fruits, vegetables, medicinal plants, other ornamental plants, etc. So it includes even this what do you call food products like this honey and all those things, etc. Okay, so what happens where the food prices rise? Actually, the in real sense, food inflation means what? The food, I mean the food produce will get more price. That means the farmers will get more income, right? So more income. So whenever farmers get more income, then more people will in what you call start cultivation. So that means more agriculture production will be there actually. So more agriculture production means more agriculture growth output will be more. So that's why food inflation is not a challenge actually. Okay. Next, increasing population. Obviously, increasing population actually maybe it will increase the workforce to some extent, but actually Indian agriculture is reeling under disguised unemployment, right? Disguised unemployment, and also increase in population will put pressure on existing resources, limited natural resources, that is land, okay, land, water, all these things, okay. So as a result, agriculture production will be affected. So it is also a challenge. So which is not a challenge is food inflation only. So answer is option B. Okay. Next we'll go to the next question. So recently India installed indigenously built coastal surveillance radar system. So coastal surveillance radar. So what will it do? So this is the I mean India. So along the coast, actually, in order to better monitor the enemy things, so it could be terrorist activities, it could be piracy, sea piracy, okay. So something like that, and also exploitation by other foreign countries, exploitation of the resources by foreign countries, something like that. So all these aspects will be taken care of by this coastal surveillance radar system. So here this indigenously built CSRS is installed in which country? Okay, the answer is Maldives. So Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi and Maldivian President Ibrahim Mohammed what do you call Soli jointly inaugurated coastal surveillance radar system. This CRS is the primary sensor for integrated coastal surveillance system. This program contributes in creating a network of information to maritime domain awareness in the strategic Indian Ocean region. So as a extension to this, actually, I mean, not only around India, India has to ensure that entire Indian Ocean region should be free from threats actually. So India actually this India, sorry, India should ensure India's role in Indian Ocean region is significantly increasing. So on the aftermath of this Chinese maritime Silk Road and also this Chinese aggression in the South China Sea and all those things, India should ensure that its neighbors are with him. Okay, so as a part of this India has installed this in the Maldives. Okay, so answer is Maldives.